सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to see 1.3, A Basket Full of Moonlight, page number 17. Actually, children, this English is activity based, and that's why we have to do different activities in the class. But because of COVID-19, we are going to do only one individual activity. So now we are going to see warming up chit chat activity first. Now I am going to ask you the question. You can think and decide the answer. Did you like to hear bedtime stories when you are a child? Think it. Did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Yes. Your answer is yes. Who usually told you the bedtime stories? And you like also. Who is telling all these stories to you? Your granny, means your grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, and sometime your elder sister, elder brother also. And you like very much. Why did you like them? You like that stories? Yes, why you like? Because it is interesting, funny, imaginative, like all fairy tales. Prince, princess, king. So you like to go in imagination. That's why you like them, all the stories. Yes or no? Yes. Do you still like to hear those stories again? You like to hear these stories? Yes. So you will say, yes, ma'am, we have to hear these stories. Children, one thing you can tell me, when you are walking on the road and your mother caught a finger with you and you are walking and you are watching the sky, in the sky there is a moon and you think that the moon is walking with us. असं वाटतं ना, आई बरोबर तुम्ही चाललेले आहे, आईचं बोट धरलेलं आहे तुम्ही आणि असं वाटतं हा चांदोबा जो आहे हा आमच्या बरोबर चालत आहे. बिकॉज यू नो यू लाईक दॅट मून व्हेरी मच. तुम्ही कितीतरी चांदोबाच्या कविता ऐकलेल्या असतील, स्टोरीज ऐकलेल्या असतील. लिंबोळी चांदोबा चांदोबा लपलास का, है ना, किंवा चंदा मामा दूर के पोहे पकाए पूर के. व्हेन यू आर चाइल्ड you had heard all these stories about the moon. So now we are going to do one activity. It is individual activity on page number 17, first activity. Yes. Discuss in groups about the procedure of planting a tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present in before the class. So that's why I told you, do individual activity. It is not a group activity. Everybody like plants. Everybody is having a pot in their home. You had seen the garden. There are different types of plants. So how the plants grow? So what we have to do first? What we are going to do first? You can see the procedure of planting a tree. So you have to write the step. Which thing we are doing first? Think in your mind. Choose the good seed of a plant. ज्याचं झाड आपल्याला लावायचं आहे अगोदर ती चांगली बी आपण घेणार, सीड घेणार. After that, What you are going to do? You need soil. Then digging the ground. When you are planting, you have to choose the place when you have to plant the tree. So you are going to dig that ground in the garden or maybe in the pot. Then after that, what you will do? You will put the seed in the soil. त्या जमिनीमध्ये तुम्ही बी टाकणार. After that, what you are going to do? Add manure or fertilizer. And the last one, add some water. So this is the procedure of planting a tree. We followed all these steps. I think so you had also written in that your book. Now we are going to see the next activity. Next. Discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. First. This one. So everybody knows that father is a pillar of the family. He is taking care of the family. He is the ideal person. So first one is given for you. You can see in these bullet points. Father works hard to earn a living. Earn a living? जीवन जगण्यासाठी आपले वडील काय करतात? काम करतात. अजून काय करतात? Come on, you can think. Perform different activities for the family. Maybe he's going for work, sometimes he's taking your studies, taking care of the whole family, and your father is role model for you. And taking a proper decision. योग्य निर्णय घेतात. Maybe it is related to your study, related to your career, or related to your health. So that's why your father is your role model. And the last one is taking care of the family member with lovingly. Maybe he is having a less clothes, less things to him, but he is fulfilling all the things of his family members like kids, his wife, and his parents. And he is getting satisfaction that I am fulfilling all the things for my family. So father is a role model for family. Now we will come to mother. One bullet point has given the answer, keeps the house clean. From the morning till night she is busy to doing the household work. What she is doing? She is cooking food and feeding the family, taking care of everybody in the family. Not only she is taking the care of the family, but taking the study of the school, doing all the marketing, keeping the house clean, welcoming the guest. There are so many duties she is doing. And she is a professional also. She does a job and completing the needs of the family. Whatever maybe her daughter, her son wants something. So she is fulfilling all the wishes of the kids by doing a job. So she is not only doing the household work, but she is doing the outside work also for keeping her family happy and satisfied. So I think so you understood both the activities, children. And she is also a biggest role model for the family. As well as the father is a role model, but mother is also a role model. And everybody likes mother, you know. So mother's role is also very important in the family as well as father. So now you can turn your page on page number 18. Basket full of moonlight. It is a very nice poem written by Sunil Sharma, translated from Dogri language. You know, in our India, there are so many languages are spoken. Or we can say for Marathi, Devanagari, like a Dogri language. A small child is telling to the moon. एक छोटा मुलगा चंद्राला सांगत आहे की हे चंद्रा, यू कॅन गिव्ह मी बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट. एक बास्केट भरून मला तू चंद्रप्रकाश दे. Why he is saying? Because in chit chat only I told you everybody like moon very much, and you had listened so many different stories about moon. Oh moon, give me moonlight, basketful or 2 basketful with seeds of moonlight. The child is telling, give me moonlight. Actually, the child is every day he is watching the moonlight, but he is asking, you can give me. Every day I can see your moon, but I need your moonlight. Basket full. एक बास्केट नाही, I want 2 baskets. 2 बास्केट भरून मला मूनलाइट पाहिजे. अर्धवट सुद्धा नकोय. The full basket should be full with moonlight. Not only moonlight, children, but he wants the seeds also. Because he wants to plant small moon in the way. That's why he needs the seeds of the moonlight. Why he need all these seeds, children? Like that only for playing? No, there is a big reason behind it. What reason is that? From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many. मला काय करायचं आहे? ह्या शहरापासून तर गावापर्यंत मला ह्या बिया पेरायच्या आहे. I want to sow the seeds from the sides of the path. Path means way, route. दोन्ही साइडला, रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही कडेला मला ह्या चंद्राच्या बिया पेरायच्या आहे. Small moons of light. When I will plant a seed of moon, so small moons will come out and they will give me the moonlight. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. Because the whole village is going for work to city. Because we already knew that. There is not so many different professions in villages. So all the peoples are going for work in city, metropolitan city. Why? Because they are getting different types of jobs over there. So his father is also going to city for a job, for work. Not only his father, but there are so many people from the village, they are going to city to work for job. And not only for one day, every day daily they are going for work. It becomes dark on its way back. Actually, they are going in the morning, and when they are returning home, they are coming home, that time was totally black, no light, no electricity. So it is totally dark and all the people are having problems. They can't walk in a darkness. As my village is quite far, not close. Similar word, opposite word for far, near. As my village is very quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. It is very far and the route is very tough. Tough, difficult, similar word for tough, difficult. Route, road or way, similar word. So the route is very tough, very difficult, and because why? On the whole road there are snakes and scorpions. संपूर्ण रोडवर रात्रीच्या वेळी सर्प आणि विंचू असतात. सो इट इज म्हणून हे खूप कठीण रस्ता आहे, वाट आहे आणि अशा वेळेला माझे वडील आणि आमच्या गावातील सगळी लोक कामावरून परत येत असतात. सो इट इज अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क फॉर दॅम. दॅट्स वाय आय नीड अ सीड्स ऑफ मून. दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव टू प्लांट द सीड्स ऑफ मून. Neither bus not cart plies. Plies means to come and go. ये जा करणे. आमच्या इथे कुठलीही बस, गाडी, कार्ट, इवन बुलक कार्ट सुद्धा जात नाही. मग माझे पप्पा कसे जातील? हाऊ माय फादर विल गो अँड द अदर पर्सन्स विल गो. सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट. आणि आपल्याला माहीत आहे की खेडेगावामध्ये सगळ्या सुखसोयी असतात का? नाही. अजून सुद्धा आपल्याला माहीत आहे की आपल्याला काही ठिकाणी there is no bus, no auto rickshaw, nothing. So we have to go by walking. आपल्याला पायी जावं लागतं. And same thing is the boy is having the experience in his village. That's why he's telling to moon that you can give me your moonlight, or you can give your seeds so I can plant the seeds on the both side of the path. When my father returns home, I am asleep. My father, in the morning, he is going very early. And when he returns at home, he comes very late in the evening, in the night. And that time, I am sleeping. So I can't communicate with my father. I can't talk. So it is very difficult. So because he want to call his father should come early to home. He want to talk. He want to listen the fairy tales from his father. That's why he's telling, हे चंद्रा, तू मला काही बिया दे, तर मी ह्या बिया काय करणार आहे, रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही कडेला पेरणार आहे, जेणेकरून मला छोटे छोटे चंद्र उगवणार आणि त्या चंद्रांचा प्रकाश माझ्या वडिलांना मिळणार आणि माझे वडील घरी लवकर परतणार. अशी त्या मुलाची काय आहे, इच्छा आहे. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. He is going very early in the morning and coming too late in the night. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on lawn. बघा, त्या मुलाची भावना, इमोशन यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड चिल्ड्रन, की तो काय म्हणतोय, तुला जर मला असं देता येणार नसेल ना, सो यू कॅन गिव्ह युअर लाईट, मून लाईट ऑन लोन. व्याजाने दे, तू लोन दे मला, पण यू कॅन गिव्ह मी दॅट. आय वॉन्ट टू लाईट द डार्क रूट. मला हे अंधारमय रस्ते जे आहे ते प्रकाशित करायचे आहे. सो दॅट माय फादर रिटर्न्स अर्ली. म्हणून काय होणार आहे, माझे पप्पा लवकर घरी येणार आहे, येतील. अँड आय टू वॉन्ट टू हिअर फेरी टेल्स अँड स्टोरी फ्रॉम हिम. आणि म्हणून मला माझे पप्पा लवकर घरी आले की मी झोपणार नाही. आणि झोपताना मात्र माझे वडील, माय फादर इज गोइंग टू टेल मी द डिफरंट फेरी टेल्स, परीकथा ज्या आहे ह्या मला ते सांगतील, स्टोरीज सांगतील. तुम्ही भरपूर परीकथा वाचलेल्या असतील, ऐकलेल्या असतील. Cinderella, three sisters, one eye, two eye and three eye. किंवा मॅरीगोल्ड, अशा कितीतरी कथा आहे, काय साहसी कथा आहे किंवा अकबर बिरबलच्या आहे. तर अशा स्टोरीज, अशा गोष्टी ह्या मुलाला आपल्या वडिलांकडून ऐकून घ्यायच्या आहे, बिकॉज ही लाईक ऑल दिस फेरी टेल्स. किंवा त्या चित्रामध्ये बघा, सॉरी त्या कथेमध्ये एक राजा असतो, त्याचा एक मुलगा असतो, मग प्रिन्सेस असते, प्रिन्स असतो, मग तो घोड्यावर येतो. अशा कितीतरी इमॅजिनेटिव्ह काल्पनिक कथा आहे, ह्या सगळ्या ह्या मुलाला ऐकायच्या आहे. ओ मून गिव्ह मी अ बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट. हे चंद्रा, तू मला एक बास्केट भरून काय कर, चंद्रप्रकाश दे. आय वॉन्ट टू सो सीड्स ऑफ मून. मला काय करायचे आहे, तर मला ह्या सगळ्या बिया पेरायच्या आहे ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ. दोन्हीही रोडच्या कडेला ह्या बिया मी पेरणार आहे, आणि त्याचा फायदा मला असा होणार आहे की माझ्या वडिलांना प्रकाश मिळणार आहे, सगळीकडे प्रकाश असेल, अंधार नसणार आहे. अँड दॅट्स वाय माय फादर विल कम व्हेरी फास्ट टू होम अँड आय कॅन फुलफिल ऑल माय विशेस. आणि माझ्या ज्या इच्छा आकांक्षा आहे, हे आकांक्षा आणि इच्छा माझे वडील पूर्ण करतील. केव्हा? जेव्हा तू मला हे बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट देणार आहे. ओके, you understood this poem, children? I think so you will understood. It is written by Sunil Sharma. Now you can come to on page number 19. English workshop. Very easy it is. Activity number 1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. You can see in your textbook. A. The child wants to sow small moons of light from dash 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 dash. See that in your book, you will get the answer. Yes, I think so you got the answer. Yes, the city to the village. First answer is the city to the village. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of dash dash dash. Come on, pay attention on the poem and find out the answer. Okay, you got it, I think so. Yes, the answer is yes, snakes and scorpions. C. The child wants a basket full of moonlight on dash. Just now I had explained the poem to you. What is the answer of C then, children? Yes, loan. Loan is the correct answer. D. The child wants to light the dark route so that his dash dash dash. Search the answer in your textbook. Yes. This answer, father returns early. Okay, very good. We had completed activity number 1. Now we are going to see activity number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. Next. Activity number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. Children, these are the nouns and you have to find out describing word, or we can say the adjective also. Visheshan. First one, you can see the first bullet point. Moons. How are the moons? Small. I think so you got the second answer also. Root. Here you can see root. Tough root. See the third bullet point. Village. What describing word will come over there? Whole village. Third one. Fourth bullet point. Morning. When his father goes? Early morning. So the answer is early. Now activity number 3. The child in the poem wants to solve the problem of his village. How can the child solve them with the following Vishesh? Answer in your notebook. You have to write these answers in your notebook. First one is, give me moonlight basketful or 2 basketful with seeds of moonlight. Why he is asking to the moon? Because his father is going to work for a city in the early mornings, and when he comes back, that time it is too dark and he comes late to home because the roads are full of darkness, and it is a very difficult task for him because the roads are having snakes and scorpions. That's why he need a basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight, because there is no electricity. So that's why he is telling to moon to give him light. You understood first question? Now the second question. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Why is telling that like that? Because he need a permanent solution. की एकदा का जर सगळे चंद्र उगवले तर सगळीकडे काय असणार आहे? चंद्रप्रकाश. Maybe he want to tell us that electricity should be there. परमनंट सोल्युशन कसं निघणार आहे? जर तिथे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आली तर नेहमीच दिवे असतील, उजेड असेल, and the child's father come back home very early. I think so you understood both the answers. Okay. Shall we go to activity number 4? Okay. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. First one, father reaches home late after dark. See in your textbook and find the answers, please. Okay. First A, father reaches home late after dark. When my father returns home, I am asleep. What the child is telling? When my father comes, that time I am asleep. Second, B, eager to hear fairy tales from his father. He is very enthusiastic. He want to listen the stories, fairy tales. Okay? You got the answer, children? Okay. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. You have to find out from the poem. It is already given in the poem. See, remove darkness and bring light among the darker path. Remove the darkness. So the answer is, I want to light the dark route. Okay. Now, activity number 5. Very easy activity, children, it is. Write as many words as you can using full as a suffix. First example is given to you. Basket, basketful. Bucketful. Come on, tell me the answers. You find the answer. More answer you can find. You can see there is a fill in the blanks. Okay. I think so you got the answers. Mouth, mouthful. Pocket, pocketful. Hand, handful. Pot, potful. Spoon, spoonful. Color, colorful. Sack, sackful. And bagful. So children, we have seen all 5 activities, and the remaining activities you can do as a homework. This is your homework, and you can again read the poem properly and write all the answers in your notebook. If you have any problems, so you can write it in our comment box. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.